Hello friends, can you create more than one YouTube channel? Can YouTube lets you make multiple channels using one email address? The answer is yes. You can create more than 3 channels in one email address. So in this video I will help how you create multiple account in one email address. Please watch our full video and don't forget to subscribe our channel. So let's start our video. Open YouTube from your browser. Tap on account. The top of YouTube right corner. Then click on desktop. Again tap on account. And open YouTube settings. Then open See all my channel or create a new channel. Tap on create a new channel. Here you type your channel name and click on continue. You're done. Your channel has been created. You can see here. I have lots of account in one email address. Thanks for watching our video and don't forget to subscribe our channel Expert Diary.